acceleration, inertia, and action-reaction. These were the ingredients chosen to create the perfect set of laws for classical mechanics. But Professor Newton accidentally added an extra ingredient to the concoction: gravity X. Thus, the physics girls were born, using their ultra superpowers. Law 1, Law 2, and Law 3 have dedicated their lives to fighting laziness and the force of procrastination.
As Professor Newton works hard on his equations, his arch-nemesis Robert Hooke sneaks into his lab to steal his equations and claim his laws as his own. The physics girls heard a disturbance in their home and went to check on their father. They then discovered a note on his desk from his rival Hooke.
Dear physics girls, if you ever want to see your father again, you must meet me at my secret lair. See you girls there.
The girls head right away to Hooke's lair and were prepared to fight him using the 3 laws that their father taught them.
We interrupt this program to quickly explain the 3 laws of motion.
Newton's first law states that an object at rest must stay at rest, and an object in motion must stay in motion. This is also known as the law of inertia. As you can see in the diagram, the first ball cannot move since there is no force pushing it. Unlike the second ball, they cannot stop moving due to no forces stopping it. Newton's second law states that the acceleration of an object is produced by the total force related to the object's mass. A common formula used is force equals mass times acceleration. In the picture, the same force is applied to 2 different objects at 2 different masses. The smaller object has a faster acceleration, while the larger object has a slower acceleration since it weighs more. Lastly, the third law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Forces usually come in pairs as one affects the other. For example, when you release a fully blown balloon, the air being released all rushes down, causing the balloon to be pushed upward. This then causes an equal and opposite force. The action of the air causes a reaction to the balloon. Watch as the physics girls put these laws to the test.
I am Law 1, and I say that an object at rest will stay at rest, and an object in motion will stay in motion at the same speed and direction.
I have the second law, and Daddy told me that net force causes mass to accelerate, so I'm going to accelerate my fist into your face.
I'm the third and final law, and for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction.
After the physics girls defeated the evil and jealous Robert Hooke, they hear Professor Newton in the distance crying for help.
Help! Help!
And immediately run to his rescue.
Alright girls, let's go untie him.